Sublime Text 2. Disable cursor position overwriting characters, like then replace mode. I'm not sure how, but I managed to get Sublime Text into a replace mode, which at whatever position the cursor is at, it overwrites the next character with whatever you press, instead of inserting it. How do you return back to insert mode? I couldn't see any option for it in the menu, and searching on Google yielded completely irrelevant results. For the record, I'm using OS X Mountain Lion, and I have the non-extended keyboard, without the number pad.
If you go to Preferences and GT, Key Bindings, Default, and search for Overwrite, you'll find the key binding. At least on Windows it's set to the Insert key. You probably managed to hit some key combo to emulate that key on your keyboard. If it happens again and you can't figure out how to get out, just change it to Ctrl-Shifty, unused in my default setup, and you should be good to go. Make sure that you put this entire line in your Preferences and GT, Key Bindings, User, file, in between the square brackets. The at the end is only needed if you have additional entries in the file.
This setting is present in Preferences and GT, Key Bindings, Default. IE on Mac Command plus Alt plus O.
On a Mac, FN plus return works as insert.
On the top row of a QWERTY keyboard there is a button marked Insert. Simply tap that button. It toggles between insert mode and overwrite mode.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.